Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be showing you guys how to clean some razor clams. So in our bucket here, we kept them overnight in some ice and water. So by putting water in, that's going to allow those clams to shoot out all the sand that was in them. So all on the bottom here, you'll see a bunch of sand in the bucket here. I'll show you guys how to clean them. What you want to do here is take your clam, open it up. Shells are a little bit brittle. Open it up just like that, kind of like a butterfly effect. You're gonna take it, pull the body away from the clam shell. Right here you can kind of see that there's some leftover meat. Just kind of scrape that out with a knife, or like on the end of my knife I have a little spoon, so I can use that. And that just scoops it right out. That's the meat right there you guys can eat. Keep that. Get all the meat you can get. So I'm just putting it in a little container right now. And throw the shells away. You don't need to keep those. So what we like to use is scissors. This is called like the zipper. It kind of looks like a zipper. You're going to take your scissors. You're going to go up that zipper. Like so. You're going to cut that. That's going to open up your clam. Like so. Just like that. And then you're gonna also go up the foot here, just like that. You're gonna cut that open. That's gonna open that up as well. There's also another little part of the body you gotta get into. So right here, you can kind of see there's another little hole right here. Bring your scissors up through that, and that's gonna open up the foot all the way. And then you're gonna pull. Actually, that's the neck. My bad, everybody. That's the neck. This is the foot. Open that up. Take all this yucky stuff out. And then once you put all the meat in your container, you're gonna wash all that out. That's just the leftover sand. And then you got all this yucky sand and stuff in there. You're gonna wash that out as well when the time comes. We also like to open the foot up. So just cut it up right down the center. You don't have to, but that's just our preference. Just kind of open it all up here. Just like so. So then that also makes it easier to clean the inside as well. And there you have it, guys. Cleaning a clam. We'll do one more for you.
With the tip.
Here's another one. Another thing that you want to do is cut the tip of this off. It's just a little tiny hard piece. You don't really want to eat that, so just cut it off just like that. Open up the shell, like the butterfly effect. So this guy's small. We normally get a lot bigger clams, but yesterday was opening day for Razor Clam Dig. So yes, we did get our limit, but we just didn't catch the big ones that we would have liked to get. But no matter what you dig up, you are supposed to keep, and that we did do. So there was a lot of small ones out there. We weren't the only ones getting all the small ones. There's also a female crab out there as well, coming in and laying their eggs. So that was really cool to see. You'll see a video on that as well. So right now we're just cutting open the neck, and then we're cutting into that second part of the neck. You can use scissors, you can use a knife. Scissors are a lot easier and quicker. You're looking for quick. Take off the little tiny foot, put the meat in there, open up the foot, this guy. Super easy, guys. Very easy process. Doesn't take very long. there you have it. That's cleaning a clam. If you guys wouldn't mind, please like, subscribe, and share it out. Can't wait to bring you guys more videos. If you got any questions, let us know in the comments down below. We'll be happy to help you guys. If you got any questions about clam digging and any helpful hints and tips, we'll be there to answer for you guys. You can also email us at Pacific Northwest, that's pnwlippripperz at yahoo.com. I'll leave that in the description below. Always happy to answer your questions. And thank you guys for following along. Have a blessed day.